This iconic landmark in the nation's capital has been closed for most of the past 8 years after a 5.8 magnitude earthquake in 2011 left 150 cracks in the stones. The Washington Monument briefly opened in 2016 but closed again after a series of elevator malfunctions.
We totally rehabbed and rebuilt the elevator system, so that's new cabling, new programming that goes with it, refurbished the motor that's part of it, and then also incorporated security screening requirements.
5, 4, 3.
First Lady Melania Trump took a ceremonial first ride to the top with local students as the first public visitors.
Named after the first President of the United States, the Washington Monument is the most dramatic feature on the city's skyline and one of the most popular tourist attractions on the National Mall, averaging 500,000 visitors a year. And now tourists are very excited to be able to go back on top of the monument to see a most dramatic, spectacular view of the city.
People lined up in the early morning to get tickets. This couple from Shanghai, who do not speak English, asked for spare tickets by showing a handwritten sign that said their ancestors donated one of the commemorative stone tablets in the monument.
Well, they were very persistent. They really wanted to get up there, and I had 2 extra tickets.
There are 193 commemorative stone tablets set into the interior walls of the monument. According to the National Park Services, one of them was donated by the American mission in Ningbo, China, whom the Zhangs claim as their ancestors.
We are very happy.
We are very thankful.
All the tickets are sold out and will fly back to China tomorrow.
Construction began in 1848 and took nearly 40 years to complete due to the Civil War and lack of funding. This time, the monument's repair was funded not only with taxpayers' money, but also with millions of dollars in private donations. Patsy Widakuswara, VOA News, Washington.